Good morning, dear student. Today we discuss chemistry of class 11th, that is first chapters, some basic concept of chemistry, and the topic empirical formula and molecular formula. So, first of all, we defined empirical formula. Empirical formula is defined as the simplest whole number of each elements present in the molecules. It means it represents the simplest whole number ratio of the various elements present in a compound. For example, the empirical formula of glucose is CS2O, that of benzene, CH, and hydrogen peroxide is OH. It is clear that in glucose molecules, one atom of carbon combines with two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. And in benzene, one atom of carbon combines with one atom of hydrogen. Similarly, in peroxide, one atom of oxygen combines with one atom of hydrogen. It means empirical formula of a compound represents only the atomic ratio of various elements present in the compound. This is overall empirical formula. And now we discussed molecular formula. This is a molecular formula. Now, in molecular formula, the atoms represented exactly the number of compound. It means if we write the molecular formula of glucose, it found to be C6H12 O6. Molecular formula of benzene is found to be C6H6. Molecular formula of hydrogen peroxide is found to be H2O2. This is the molecular formula. It means in molecular formula exact number of different type of atoms present in a molecules of a compounds are represented by the molecular formulas. Now it means here 6 carbons combines with 12 atom of carbon and 6 atom of oxygen. In benzene 6 carbons combines with 6 hydrogen. In hydrogen peroxides 2 hydrogens combined with 2 oxygen atoms. Now relationship between empirical formula and molecular formula. A relationship between empirical formula and molecular formula. So the molecular formula of a compound is a simple whole ratio or whole number multiplied of its empirical formula, that is molecular formula is equal to n into empirical formula, where n is any integer, number, where n is any integer numbers. This is a relationship. It means n is equal to molar mass upon empirical formula mass This is a n. This is a very important factors, and thank you.